The Indian Meteorological Department has issued yellow and orange alerts across Maharashtra with Mumbai, Thane, Palghar, Raigad, Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg expected to be significantly impacted between May 21st and 24th. This alert comes as a cyclonic circulation forms over the Arabian Sea off the Karnataka coast around May 21st, which is likely to develop into a low pressure area and intensify. Under its influence, widespread rainfall activity is predicted across the Konkan coast and parts of Maharashtra. During this period, heavy rainfall is expected, accompanied by stormy conditions and gusty winds ranging from 30 to 40 km per hour.
नमस्कार, मैं शुभांगी बुते बात कर रही हूँ प्रादेशिक मौसम विभाग मुंबई से। 21 तारीख को ईस्ट सेंट्रल अरेबियन सी ऑफ द कर्नाटका कोस्ट में एक साइक्लोनिक सर्कुलेशन तैयार होने की संभावना है। उसके इन्फ्लुएंस में कम दबाव का क्षेत्र भी बनने की संभावना है। इसका प्रभाव महाराष्ट्र के साउथ कोंकण, साउथ मध्य महाराष्ट्र, नॉर्थ कोंकण इंक्लूडिंग मुंबई भी दिखाई देगा। कुछ जगह पे थंडरस्टॉर्म भी होने की संभावना है और भारी से भारी बारिश होने की भी संभावना है। कुछ जगह पे 40 to 50 kmph इतना हवा का बहाव रहने की संभावना है। और जानकारी के लिए प्रादेशिक हवामान केंद्र की वेबसाइट को विजिट करें। धन्यवाद।
What's a yellow alert? It's a cautionary alert. It indicates moderate rainfall with the possibility of thunderstorms, lightning and winds up to 50 km per hour. Yellow alerts have been issued for districts like Palghar, Thane, Mumbai, Nashik and Dhule from May 20th onwards, urging residents to remain weather aware. What's orange alert? From May 21st, orange alerts kick in for Raigad, Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg, warning of heavy to very heavy rainfall, gusty winds reaching 50 to 60 km per hour, thunderstorms and possible localized flooding. Peak impact expected from May 21st to May 23rd, especially in coastal and Ghat regions. The southwest monsoon further advanced over some parts of South Arabian Sea, Maldives and Comorin area, South Bay of Bengal, some more parts of Central Bay of Bengal and some parts of Northeast Bay of Bengal on 19th May. Conditions are favorable for further advance of southwest monsoon over some parts of South Arabian Sea, remaining parts of Maldives and Comorin area, some more parts of South Bay of Bengal, some more parts of Central Bay of Bengal and some more parts of Northeast Bay of Bengal during the next 2 to 3 days.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.